This episode is sponsored by Honeybadger. Are you looking to enhance clarity in production without a PhD in observability? Try Honeybadger Insights. Honeybadger Insights is built around structured events and Honeybadger's new query language BadgerQL, which allows you to analyze data, create metrics, and design custom dashboards. All of this is available for free with Honeybadger's monitoring suite, which includes error tracking, uptime monitoring, and more. Explore your data in new ways with BadgerQL. It's pretty cool and simple. So give it a try today at honeybadger.io. That's honeybadger.io. Security is important on our Rails applications, and it can't be an afterthought. So in this episode, we're going to have a look where a user can sign up, and when we enter in a password, I'm just going to do 123456, and they go to sign up, they're immediately going to get an error. And the error is that the password has previously appeared in a data breach and should never be used. So essentially what we're doing is forcing our user to have a stronger password. It doesn't have to be a complicated one, but just something that hasn't appeared in the breach. And this is also going to work when the user goes to change their password. So if we try to change it to 123456 again, and we'll enter in our current password, when we go to update it, we'll see that we get the same error message. And so in this episode, we are going to be looking at this functionality with adding it to Devise, but then also onto our own authentication solution. To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftingruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.